It's the Britt, Rachelle show. Do 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 do. That's me. Hello there, my darlings. The word around the realms is that I am a notorious heart thief, especially those of young, beautiful girls. Well, while I don't think that's completely true, I will say something that is true about me is I know how to make a delicious and hearty breakfast. It's very simple and I'd love to show you today. All you're going to need are some eggs, bacon, bread of your choice, the fresher the better, your cheeses. I have a couple varieties here, but you can just pick your favorite. And seasonings to taste. I'm keeping it simple with some salt and pepper, and of course, butter or oil for cooking. Let's get started, shall we? Now, I have a deal with a demon to help me with my breakfast, but you may just want to put your stove up to a medium-high heat, keeping your cowl away from any open flame. Ready to help with breakfast, Calcifer?
Hey, I do a lot more around this castle than cook your breakfast.
If you keep up this attitude, I'm not sharing my eggshells.
Fine.
There you go. What you'll do, you'll heat your pan up and get a good coating of butter on there. I'm going to be using a spatula to kind of get it just spread out evenly. Now, to cook your bacon, you don't usually need an extra implement like butter, but when you're cooking it all in the same pan, all it'll do is enhance the flavor, so no harm there. Though you do need it with eggs or it will stick horribly to your pan. I like my eggs sunny side up, keeping it simple, you see. So I will be cracking my eggs like this. And just letting them set in the heat there until these clear whites become closer to an opaque white. And directly beside it, I'll be placing my 3 strips of bacon. Letting them cook for about 5 minutes on each side, depending on how you like them. If you like the bacon a little more crispy, you'll want to keep them on a little longer. It's okay if they get a little snug in the pan. About this point in the cooking process, once you've still got some whiteness going on and some clear in the yolks, and you hear that bacon sizzling, you can add your seasonings to taste, even on the bacon. The bacon fat will have its own flavor. A little salt and pepper really just adds an extra touch of magic. Keep an eye on this, won't you, Kals?
You got it, boss.
Eggs and bacon do not take very long to cook, but there is still ample time to get a nice little side going. I've chosen some fresh French bread. I'm just going to cut into slices. Enough for me and Kals and any other adventurer happens upon the castle. And top these slices with my cheese of choice. I'll likely sample a lot of these, but I'm going to start with the Smoky Park mozzarella. Seems like a delicious choice that I'm excited to try. Not pre-sliced. Cut off a nice hearty chunk. I could just use magic to cut up these slices, but I find it really grounding to just do it with regular implements. Quick and easy. You can even toast the bread if you want to, but I like to keep it soft. Let's go check on Calcifer. I like to season my bacon a little bit extra after I flipped it. Just get good flavor on both sides. Overall, this cooking process should take about 10 minutes. 10 minutes to cook the eggs to proper totality, and 5 minutes per side of bacon. Now you should be able to take it all out at once and enjoy. Calcifer will holler when it's ready. I'm gonna go prep some more bread and cheese.
Eggs and bacon are all ready, Hal.
Ah, perfect timing. Let's get a proper presentation ready.
A little bit of a thank you would be nice. Jeez.
And you see here we have a delicious breakfast that's not only easy to make, but delicious as well. You see, not everything has to be super complicated or have a million steps. Sometimes there is just beauty in the simplicity of breakfast. Let's give this a try. Some good chewy bacon. I would recommend cooking it longer if you want it a little crispier. This is just how I like it. And similarly with the eggs, if you want the yolks a little less runny and you want them a little more over easy, you can flip the eggs or just let them cook a little longer. Just right. Like I said, simple, easy to follow. Good way to start any adventure. If you follow this recipe at home, I do hope you'll send a letter or slide into the DMs, as I suppose is the current vernacular, and let me know how you liked it and if you're familiar with my adventures. Until next time, this has been Britt Rachelle as Howl Pendragon, and I hope you stay peachy.
Well, that's just great. I do all the work and get none of the credit. Nobody ever asked Calcifer, hey, how was your fire going? What have you been up to?
Were you trying to say something to me, Calcifer?
Oh, no, I was just saying, great job on the eggs and bacon.
Thank you. I do have my own little magic I like to put on these things.
Sheesh. Wizards.